Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to solve 2 to the power square root of x is equal to 8 to the power x, or this left side is 2 to the power square root of x is equal to this 8. It can be written as 2 to the power 3. This is 8 and whole to the power x, or this 2 to the power square root of x is equal to 2 to the power 3 whole to the power x. According to this exponential formula, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. Applying this formula here, we can write 2 to the power 3 whole to the power x as 2 to the power 3 times x, so 3x, or here base 2 are same, so this power will be equal. So we can write from here a square root of x is equal to this 3x, or taking a square to both side, we can write a square root of x whole square is equal to this 3x whole square, or this square root and this square will cancel out and it will remain only x is equal to 3 square is 9 and this x square, or exchanging side, we can write this 9x square to left side is equal to this x to right side, or now taking this x to left side, we can write 9x square minus this x is equal to 0, or taking x from these two terms, we can write x times 9x square divided by x, so there will be 9x minus, taking common x from this x, here it will be 1 is equal to 0. So this x is equal to 0, or 9x minus 1 is equal to 0. So for first case, x is equal to 0, or this 9x minus 1 is equal to 0, or taking this 1 to right side, we will have 9x is equal to 1. Now divided both side by 9, we will have the value of x is equal to 1 over 9. So the solution of this equation, x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 over 9. So the value of x is equal to 0 or 1 over 9. So this is the solution of this given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.